Alright guys, so the first step is obviously to identify which face shape you have. The standard options are square, heart, oval, triangular, round, and diamond. Diamond, heart, and triangular face shapes, in my opinion, are essentially the same thing, or close enough, right? Essentially, it means that your forehead is going to be wider and it's going to dramatically drop to a more tapered chin. After that, it's round, square, or oval shape. Oval shape dudes pretty much have it easy because most hairstyles are going to look pretty awesome on you. Now, square and round, these are the face shapes that do pose the most problems. When it comes to face shape and hairstyle selection, it all boils down to the angles, all right? So if you've got something like a square face, right, you're very structured, very angular, and so you are going to need a hairstyle that's going to complement and balance the squareness and structure of your face. But on the flip side, if you're somebody that has a rounder or softer face, it doesn't have a lot of definition or hard angles like a square or the diamond, triangle, or heart-shaped dude, you're going to need a hairstyle that complements the fullness and roundness of your face. And so you are going to look best with something with more angle and structure.